Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can control motion smoothness on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up the settings, and we have to go to the display setting, and in this display setting, we have to select the motion smoothness since we want to change the motion smoothness. Okay, and these are the type of motion smoothness in my Samsung Galaxy phone. It depends on your Samsung Galaxy phone's type. And here I have two types of motion smoothness. I have high with 120 hertz screen refresh rate, and I also have the standard with a 60 hertz screen refresh rate. And I'm just going to select the standard, and here we'll be able to see the preview of the motion smoothness, and then we can click on apply to change the motion smoothness. Okay, and now my motion smoothness has been changed, and that's how we can control motion smoothness on Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!